Hi, I'm Yanis and we are building AI Engage, a personal financial bodyguard issued at credit application to help people move from tap, swipe, oops to tap, check, choose. We have more than 3 million consumer profiles and growing daily. Our vision is simple: financial decision quality from day one when you need it, and support along the way as life changes. The problem isn't debt, it's financial decision quality when you make debt. In South Africa, more than 10 million consumers are over-indebted. That is more than one-third of the adult population. One large credit provider in South Africa has seen a 63% drop in credit approval since IFRS 9 came into play. But here's the real failure. When consumers are already delinquent, they are offered limited choices: pay now, make an arrangement, call back, and yet many don't know what to propose. So engagement happens, but completion stays low because the options are not guided and there are no decision quality. That is exactly what we address very early, starting day one at onboarding. And our financial bodyguard stays with the consumer doing continuous vulnerability assessments and financial guidance. AI Engage is designed as a financial bodyguard across the life cycle, from onboarding through spending and life changes from day one to the final payment, always with dignity. AI Engage is the combination of DoEngage, our bi-directional consumer engagement platform with more than 3 million profiles. One step today, the personal financial bodyguard MVP has been built and pilots will be rolled out on all existing campaigns. And later we'll introduce behavioral incentives through game theory. And the key promise is this: we don't add more options. We help users choose and propose the right next steps in plain language. We already see strong engagement behavior in the moment that matters. Our platform scaled from 25,000 profiles in 2022-23 to 3 million in 24-25, and we are targeting 6 million by 26-27. We see 40% take action or engage within 30 minutes of message delivery. Now, the most important evidence is high intent, low completion. Across December 25 to January 19, 2026, we ran 3 campaigns per week, around 4,000 accounts at a time for one client. From the stats, you will see that about 35% click to explore options, but only about 6% complete the available form-based actions. So attention is not the problem. Decision quality guidance is. And we are transparent. These are in-platform actions only. Downstream calls and payments outside the DoEngage system are not yet visible. The gap is exactly what one step is built to close, converting intent into a realistic, workable next step. Our impact aligns to SDG 1, 3, 8, and 10. Fewer harmful commitments from day one, earlier support as vulnerability rises, and more money left in the households. We measure impact in 2 layers. Currently, time to first action, click to completion lift, repeat use, and drop-off points. When we do the pilot, we'll look at accepted proposals, payments initiated, and fewer broken arrangements. Our model is one bodyguard, multiple corporates. Revenue comes from a micro fee per bodyguard session, plus consent-driven vulnerability change notifications to participate in corporates, and optional consumer requested product matching. They pay because earlier engagement means fewer failed arrangements, lower cost to collect, better retention, and far less revisions. We have a strong team combining platform engineering, consumer finance operations, and commercial execution. And we've already proven we can scale distribution through DoEngage. AI Engage is an independent, consent-driven agent delivering continuous vulnerability assessments, and one step is the bodyguard that turns attention into decision quality action. Thank you.